yeah. All right, welcome back to the shop. Only been a few days, but got some fun, exciting stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. Just picked up this fresh unit right here. This is a mint 2004 Ford Mustang GT. Clean unit we got here. V8 included, naturally. So yeah, this I think we're going to use this for Amanda's new drift car, which means unfortunately we'll be retiring poor Scrappy, who's been a great little guy, but it's just not cutting it. And we saw some guys drifting these, and these are cheap. Oh man. And it's got full air conditioning. Everything on this thing so far works awesome. Oh man, fresh. It's got a couple lights on, but we're not worried about any of that. Nothing we can't handle. Take this puppy out for a spin. Just got its stock wheels and tires put back on. It came with some 20s. That we're not going to cut it. Okay. Let's see. Find a seatbelt here. Oh man. Woo! God damn. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, so sporty. Woo! The unit. Oh, one tire fire. I swear this thing's faster than it's supposed to be. Hey, we gotta get Scrappy out here. Have this little drag race. Woo. Let's see what we got here. Clear. Oh, dang. It's all through the first corner. Oh, Lord. Oh, what a unit. Oh, speed bump. It's pretty soft. We're definitely getting some coilovers. Or something to stiffen this thing up. Once we put an angle kit on, there's not going to be room for a front sway bar. At least I don't think there is. It's got a handbrake. Does that work? It doesn't do anything. Naturally. Okay, so it definitely won't drift turning right, but maybe it'll drift going left. Let's see if we can do some donuts. I think that front sway bar is broken. Whew. I don't think it's gonna do it. I think we need to get out the Lincoln locker next. She needs some work. See if we can left foot brake something here. Man, might just break it. There we go. Oh, she's spinning. First burnout. That counts. 10 out of 10. Just gotta take the whip for a ride. He's done dicking around. Don't crash into all the cars I left out there.
Yeah, how many cars do we have here now?
Like 10. I'll take at least one home on a trailer tonight. And then I can take another one home on a trailer. I just beat the shit out of it. It didn't break yet. And we have to break it. We might as well break it here than at the event. Yeah, I can floor it. Oh, baby. She's good.
Pedestrians in the street.
Pedestrian. Chris gave it a lot more effort than I did, apparently. I didn't try hard enough, apparently.
He's taking a scratch.
Sideways.
Yeah, baby, that's this thing.
It's pretty womped out.
I feel like I'm on the Exxon Valdez and we're headed for a reef.
Yeah, there's a lot of cars swinging around.
11 million barrels of oil is about to come flying out.
Like the front sway bar noises.
Yeah, I love that.
It's perfect.
Oh,
That doesn't do anything.
it doesn't?
No, I gave it a rip and it did nothing. It's not even connected.
Maybe there. Maybe there.
No.
Makes the light come on.
Push. All right. It's good,
All
right?
the American muscle here, baby.
It comes with V8 and 488 for $4,000. What else could we possibly
What
ask
else
for?
could you?
And the road's already running. It's miles ahead of our other drift build.
Well, yeah. I don't know about that, actually. I really don't know about that.
Yeah, that's true.
So that is coming, though.
We'll get there. So yeah, along with that, today I went out and bought this beautiful machine. Another fresh unit. This poor E46 is going to be turned into our new drift car. And of course sedan, so couldn't be better. So yeah, pretty excited. Picked this thing up for a whopping $500 in non-running condition, and I'll show you probably what they're most concerned about. It doesn't seem like it has a shifter linkage anymore, so that's no good. And it also says the motor's blown up. But let's see. So even though they said the motor's blown up, I put a jump box on, and it was about 2 quarts low on oil to even get oil pressure. I did have to unplug the MAF to get it going, and then clean the MAF. And for some reason that worked, but now there she is. So yeah, I mean, nothing. It's definitely got a check engine light on. I'm sure there's some little things, but the motor seems to run and sounds fine. So, oh, there's the low. Not sure what that's about, but don't really care. So, I probably didn't say it, but when I say that we're going to turn this into a drift car, we're really going to turn this into a drift car. So this should look like this for probably another 48 hours, and then we're going to gut this car, completely tear it down to just the chassis. We're going to give this a go. We've got 30 days till the drift event that we want to run this car in. And we're going to see if somehow we can get this thing gutted, caged, and LS swapped by then. And also convert it to all M3 everything. So rear subframe, complete dropout, and front subframe with knuckles and everything to convert it to M3 brakes and spindles. And we're working with Josh Love on some coilovers, and we've got a whole bunch of people that are going to be working to get this car ready in time. So we'll go over that as the parts come in. But yeah, this is the new unit. So I think we need to jam it in gear tomorrow and try and take it for one drive.
I think we're shooting for 1 car a month.
One car a month. One build a month. Yeah. Yep. With all these new cars, unfortunately, that means something has to go. So we're getting Scrappy here. Scrappy here, ready to be sold. It's got a few things we'd like to button up, but you know, this car has really been perfect. I've done very little to it since owning it, and haven't had any issues. A number of people have done their first track day ever in this car now, along with probably 4 or 5 people learned to drive stick. It's been just awesome car. So if you're learning to drive, if you want to learn to drive stick, or you want to go to your first track day, this thing's going to be for sale. It's got fresh brakes, fresh tires, and a roll bar, lowered seat, everything you need to go out, and runs great. And let's see, we put the subframe back in Moose. So and then we got the Corvette. So the Vette we're going to take on one lap. So we've got to get this thing sorted out this weekend as well, and find all its aero. We got some big, wide, sticky tires, and we got all the projects, man.
Yep. All the things to do, and
it's early. It's only 9 tonight.
it's only 9:30.
Yeah. Well, we got all the time in the world then. So.
Got to build a dock now too.
So we're gonna get cranking and bring you guys along. Alright, got Bart, you saw, found this broken shift linkage, threw a little weld back on there. Chris is just about done with these fresh rotors and pads. We're going to take Bart for a little test drive before he gets stripped down. Alright. Let's see, how do I make this thing go down? You like pump it? Oh, ooh, wow, way down. Okay, cool. Forward. Oh, geez. No, forward. This thing's got a lot of levers. Oh, not that one. What about that one? What about that one? Nope. What about that one? Nope, not that one. What about that one? It's gotta be. Ah, it is that one. Alright, we're good. Let's see. Gears? It lives! It moves!
Oh my god.
Wow, it has no front bushings.
Oh my god. You should see the wheel.
I could feel it. We don't need bushings where we're going. Lights. It's got some lights. Oh man. It's got a lot of lights on the dash. Just about enough to light up the road. Is that all the clutch? Oh, what's that? I think I have a clutch. It doesn't have a clutch.
It does not have a clutch?
No. No, so this should have a lot of rust on it. Nope. Feels like an automatic. It just slips.
It's a CVT.
Oh.
I think I'm dragging something.
Oh, look at this thing is ready. Just like it's ready for retirement. The motor's not.
No, the motor sounds good.
Sounds great.
Smells hot.
I bet.
Probably the biggest workout it's had in years.
Still drives better than 90% of the cars made today. Got a BigDuckClub body kit coming in. All the bits. Whole new WiseFab front end. Feal coilovers. All kinds of fun stuff. First, none of it's going to matter if we don't have a cage and safety equipment. So
Yep.
we'll get going on that and bring you guys along for the ride. There we go.
Is that good?
I think it's good. It looks solid to me.
Feels pretty solid.
Oh yeah.